create a quick tutorial video just showing how to create this dashboard that I built in Notion. Stuck it on Reddit just last night and got quite a lot of people asking just how I put it together. In all honesty, it's hacked together just through a lot of research I've done online. So I'm just going to be regurgitating and stealing ideas from other people, but I thought I'd quickly put it together because it's easier to do a video than write it up. Okay, so start from scratch. As you can see up here, try to keep a black minimalist look to it. These are all just callouts. Simple checklist. This is a table that basically shows the up and coming tasks that I've got this week from my Kanban board, my to-do list. And then I've just filtered it by the current week so I can see what's up and coming. And then I've just created a quick links section at the very bottom that allows me to click on any of these and they will just pull up the URL straight away. These are kind of some of the most used URLs that I've got. And then there's obviously plenty of real estate down the bottom here if I want to add to this. This is relatively new, so I'm going to be testing it out over the next couple of weeks, probably add to it, move a few things around, and I'll certainly update this video if we do so. So let's get started. I'll just build it from scratch again and you can follow through it. So add a new page, call this dashboard demo. Want a blank page, so we can add an icon. Let's use a single dot. Let's add a cover. Let's create something, change the cover. I'm going to upload our own, which I got from Unsplash. Downloads. There we go. Let's take a wee second to upload. In the meantime, top right up here, I want to make a few changes. Quite like the full width. Current text is perfect. Page lock, we'll do that later on. That's pretty much it. Default text is perfectly fine as well. All right, so now we've got the change, reposition, because I'm extremely anal. There we go, save position. Done, right, this had the first few components. So these are actually all callouts at the top. So this could be a link to anything. Actually, we'll just do my to-do list, which is probably the most frequent one that I use. You can add any icon. Now, a few people were asking how I add the icon, the custom icons. Again, I actually just recently discovered this myself, and I'll quickly show you how we do this. Give me one sec. So you can add any of the emojis here, but if you actually like your own icons, then you can actually add custom ones by just clicking on, it's a great resort. You can actually click on any URL. What you can do is this nifty little website, notion.vip. They provide you some nice icons which you can add at any point. Really simple. Find an icon you like. Let's go with this one. Copy it. Basically just copies the URL for you. And then I can link it by just pasting in the URL, submitting it, and that will update to that little icon there. Also, if you're on the black background that I've got, what I would do is up here you can change to dark mode on their website and then copy the URL, and then that should show up in white now. There we go. Okay, so we'll just quickly fly through this because you get the gist of it. Okay, so what we want to do is reposition these, dragging the cursor over here. There we go, that's just got our top line up there. And again, you can continue to do this throughout. Should probably figure out how to do copy and paste a little bit better. And lastly, demo 6. All right, so we'll just add these in here, and there you go. You've got your top bit. So if we want to link this now to my actual to-do list, I want to get my to-do list URL up here, copy link, go back to your dashboard. Oh, wrong one. And then just highlight it, Command K, Command B, link it, and then that will now take you to your to-do list. So I would put in your kind of most used pages within Notion or external pages outside of Notion and just hyperlink them all, and they will literally be CTAs now. Next thing I've got is a schedule, which shows me my up and coming week. So to do that, you just want to do the command and create a linked database. Where do I want to link it from? That'll be my to-do list. It's going to pull through everything, which is a lot. So we want to filter this right down. So there's a few things I want to hide here. I'm not bothered about the date that I created it. So right click hide. Not bothered about the column, right click hide. These are the three elements I really want to track. Now what I want to do is apply a filter, because this is a massive list of everything that I've done since using Notion. So we want to go down and we want to filter, add a filter. We want to do it by date. We want to do it within, is within. We want to do it in the next week. There we go. That's all my items for this week. So that's all done. You can move a few things around. You've got full spacing here, so we can give it a little bit more room. So that is the calendar in place, and then I've got my quick links down the bottom. So quick links, these are just some of the most most used external pages that I use day to day during work. So what I did here, again, really similar to what I did above, call out, let's just say it's my G drive, which I use day to day. Right, so what I do again, same as before, get my G drive URL, copy that, hyperlink it. If you want to get the icon for G drive, which looks nice, just get Google Drive logo, or icon actually. Google that, go to images, probably get one with a transparent background, there we go. Right click, copy image address, and select icon, link, Control V, submit, and the Google Drive icon should appear. So then we can, just for the purpose of this, copy these and build a little stacked row over here, tidy it up, and there you go. That's your quick links. So what we're missing, the to-do list. So we want to do to-do list. Headline 2. That's really buggy, this to-do list. And then all we need to do here is checkboxes. There we go. I think in mine I previously created these as a different color. We can do that in a second. Actually, call this checklist. Alright, and then what we do is highlight all those, and we want to move them up here. And then all we need to do is jig these back around so they sit nicely under each other. And there we go. I think I had these in a different color. I think I had a grey background. There we go. So stand out a little bit more. Got a checklist. Got my most used Notion pages at the top here. Got my to-do list for the day, and I've got my quick links, and that is it. Ready to go. Once I've got this set up, actually, I noticed I only found this feature the other day. Just if you click the page lock, then when you move your cursor around, you don't accidentally add a new element, add a spacing. It's all locked down, ready for you to use. All right, hope that helps. Bye.